In today's video, I'll show you on how you can use the Attack Shark X11 mouse software. First things first, you want to head over to your Google and then search for the Attack Shark X3 software. Head over to the official search results from the Attack Shark webpage. From here, if you simply use the search function, it will not show up on the results itself. Now, the trick to simply look for the software is to click on the mouse option, and in here you then want to select your ride model. In our case, it's going to be Attack Shark X11. Click on the Attack Shark X11 software, install the application, and it will present you with this one. Basically, to use the application, it's going to be really simple. The first thing that you want to do is to edit out your DPI setting. In here, you can set custom presets like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You can have 6 different presets for your DPI. So there's going to be something like the lowest one, which I recommend setting at 800, 1200 for the second one, 1600 and more depending on your sensitivity. Now, the most important setting right here is going to be the polling rate setting. If you're a competitive gamer, you then want to set your mouse polling rate to 1000 Hz. Now take note that this will consume more battery on your mouse itself. If you're onto more casual gaming, just set it to 500 Hz. We have additional setting like mouse attribute, lift off distance, key response time, and of course, just beside that, we can then add macros to our mouse itself. In here, if you want to set macros for your left click, you can just click on this option and you can set your macros the way you want to. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.